have an unboxing from Diamond Art UK. This is the first time I've ever had anything from them, so it's the first time ever really looking at them. I have seen them on their websites. I've looked at them, but I've just never purchased. Um, but they sent me these to do a video on them, so let's get into it. I picked out 2 images and I told them that I did not mind what sizes, just make a choice for me. So let's do the smallest one first. All right, and I'm not going to dig this out yet, but basically you're going to get a set of tweezers, some wax, and a squishy for a pen, but I don't know, maybe that pen is in a different spot somewhere, but let's see. All right, so yes, so the pen, oh, that's kind of a cool pen. Has like the little design on there. That's pretty neat. And then you get a elbow single placer and a multi-placer, and then your standard tray. Pretty sure my son's gonna hijack that diamond painting pen. He really likes them. But this one is round, as you can see. Such pretty colors in this kit. They do come with individually zipped already, so you don't necessarily have to kit up if you don't want to. Looks like you have a paper legend with picture over there and your symbols and numbers on this side over here. The symbols match the numbers on the legend, which is really nice because when they're all mixed up, it's really confusing later, and you end up usually putting the wrong thing on the wrong spot. It's usually what happens to me all the time because I get in a hurry. But let's look at this pretty little canvas. They sent me that little panda. Looks like we have a legend on both sides and also a picture on both sides. Look how cute that little panda is, and all those colors. The drill field looks pretty clear. Doesn't look like I'm going to need anything to be able to see those. And the stick is pretty good. Now, I am unsure, and I'll have to, when I edit, I don't know if it's rolled glue or adhesive. So I will have to look at that before, and I'll post it on the screen when I do my editing. But this one is super cute. And again, if you've never had diamond paintings before, so basically, if you've never done diamond paintings before, you would just simply pull out the baggie that you're using. So this one looks like 1. You would go to your legend, either using this paper or the one that's on here. And since it's a number 1, you're just going to use number 1. You're going to go to the symbol on the canvas itself, and you're going to look for the number 1 and place your diamonds on there. Super simple, super easy. And I'm going to lay that one out so that way it can flatten before I actually work on it. Now let's get to the other one. This one is a little bigger. I forgot. The Panda was 25 by 25 centimeters. If I open it from the right place, right? All right, so right at the tippity top, you get plenty of wax. All right, this one It's all enclosed in the little baggie for it. Well, can't get it out of the bag. Oh, that's why. So it literally unrolled right here and the canvas got stuck to it. So it doesn't look like there was any issues there though. We'll just stick that right back over the top. Get that out of the way. And we will unroll this cute little canvas. Now this one is a little bigger, like I said. This one is a 40 by 50 centimeter. And it is a little foxy fox. Super, super cute. And again, the drill field is super clear, so I'm not going to have any issues putting that one together. And again, same thing, you have a legend on the top left and the bottom right, has your pictures on there as well. The very top of the canvas, it has your size. So right up here, it tells you how big it is, so 40 by 50 centimeters. And you get a paper legend as well. Same thing with this one. The numbers and symbols do line up. This one has 26 colors, and it looks like there's going to be 2 baggies of Y in here because there's there's a lot of Y. There's a lot of white. I'm not sure what this is though. Maybe it's just their indication of like the total. But again, you're gonna have everything pre-bagged for you, so you do not need to kit up. You don't want to. And we'll just grab a couple colors out of here just to look at them. This one is square though. The other one was round. This one is square. I wanted to get one of each. That way I could determine which one I like the most. So if I prefer their rounds over their squares or their square over their round. But those colors are super gorgeous. Can't wait to get these completed, and I will do a post review once I get that done, and I'm sure you'll see some shorts maybe, or if you follow me on TikTok, you'll be able to see different angles, different views, and all of that stuff while I'm working on it. But on another note, I will see you next time. Stay amazing, be amazing, have a great day. Bye.